How is a complete EV assembly line built? At Duyuan, we turn customer production needs into reliable manufacturing systems. Every project starts with the real production process: vehicle type, factory space, production capacity, and assembly requirements. We provide customized assembly line equipment, including conveying systems, workstations, lifting equipment, tooling, testing equipment, and smart logistics solutions. Before delivery, each system is manufactured, assembled, tested, and adjusted to ensure stable operation at the customer site. From equipment production to installation and commissioning, Duyuan supports customers in building efficient EV assembly lines. Duyuan Vehicle Equipment, one-stop solutions for EV assembly lines and automotive intelligent manufacturing.